Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reinvest dividends on Interactive Brokers. First, start by logging in to your Interactive Brokers or IBCare account. Next, navigate to the Account Management section, then go to Settings and select Dividend Election. Here, choose the Reinvest Dividends option for the specific stocks or ETFs you want. Confirm your selection and save the changes. Make sure you have enough cash or margin available for reinvestment. Your dividends will now be automatically reinvested. You can always adjust settings for individual securities if needed. If you ever need help, you can contact IB Care support directly for assistance. And that's it. That's how to reinvest dividends on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.